Tu n'as pas d'argent, ça. Pourquoi n'as-tu qu'à moi sans doumba? Moi sans doumba baboya kai. Moi sans doumba ça continue. Na obi masoba, yo des sobati.
O pesa mo, o pesa mo. Pas les anglais. O pesa mo.
Sundo abandonné ngana bana oya ozo le bana ngo bazaka so bakolinde bakomi bana oya yo moko sundo li bango abandonné bango likolo o abandonna bango likolo mbongo zandoki yo ndo za maelete o abandonna bango ki osamusa papa ni na ondima biloko wana recording
na zo na recordio po wanga na makambo lobaka loba yango
abandonna bango naza kuna kutu te abandonna bango abandonné na l'hôpital
believe ye wana
nazemi abandonna ngai na bana abandonné bango 4 jours
voilà
osaka nini osaka nini papa oya papa akovanda aolingaki okosamusa bana ye baoza na place mosusu mwasi nini na mbeta hôpital irresponsable
yo improvisation na lokuta wana nga na kolanda yo kasi oimprovisaki ezali lokuta olobaki yango mpo ozali kosolana na bamibali na yo ozalaka na bango kuna yango wana oimprovisaki alors oimprovisaki ezaki improvisation nayebi hôpital Judith oh abisoni yo moko irresponsable na commission na poto Judith mutoki na ngande commission na poto jamais Judith yo ya na intérêt yo oya na intérêt confondre nga na nini Judith mbongo ya famille na yo moto commission a ya famille na yo Judith ya famille na yo ya siko olingo sali ongo sala nini wana lo osala tanji kasi sala oyo osala kasi bongo Europe ngo yeyo moko fagi ata famille na yo aya yo mbongo na yo yani bana ya yo bota ya yo you can hear what your mother is saying. Yes, akomona ko parce que yo kosaka ye mujur wana a koti na porte awa makasi neti singa na ngambo mayo ifa mona ngo akomona ngo you must see each and everything that your mother is used to say. All this is just because of the social man that they're paying. She want to get every money for herself. Why? You sala nini Judith? Yo mbongo yo zo sala nini? Osala nani droit nini? Na loi nini? Ay benga nga irresponsable. Yo bena. O ezaki ndoki ti yo sana ngo. Olia te Judith. Olia te. Olia ngote. Olia ngote. Yo ne mdo chamo liboso za kipid. Oza kipid ne oza. Oza sacrifier tina bana na yo lia mbongo yo moko. Eza sens.
Yo sundo na bangote.
Did I buy you clothes? I buy you clothes. I buy. Oh, na sombeli bango. Ngam na sala ke bango bali mbongo wana. Ngam na sala ke yopo koma awa. Ngai. Na sala le lokote. Merci. Oh yo lukaki orozwa yango Judith. Oh yo lukaki orozwa yango. Oh. Po anini boyko? So bazoba na yo.
Mommy, please don't jump out of the window. I want to go out.
Believe, don't let her go out there. Don't let her go out.
I want to talk to you nicely. Why are you shouting at me? Did I do anything wrong to you? My problem is you shouting. I just want to talk. Go out.
Take your time and talk, Believe. Talk. Yeah.
Go out.
Talk, Believe. You have time. Talk. You're not going anywhere.
Je m'en fous, Maurice.
C'est bon.
Ça, non, on a pas réseaux sociaux. Pour les réseaux sociaux, ils sont irresponsables. Je m'en fous. Je m'en fous.
C'est bon. Problème est ça, hein?
Tiens. Okay, talk to me. Finish. I want to go out.
Daddy, can I talk to you? I need to just go.
No, talk to her.
I need to go. Please.
Talk to her.
say you don't know anything. So stop asking me about those money. Because you don't know anything about me and your daddy. So
no, she must tell you what you don't know. She must tell you what you don't know. She must tell you what she doesn't know. Narozala responsable, irresponsable. Yes, she must give you your money. She must give you your money, believe. And she must give Chris's money and Dennis' money. Yes. She took the money yesterday. Yes. You see?
Mommy, I didn't do anything.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nayoki. Nayoki, she did. Toluka ki ango okozwa. Na ebisa ke loko yo soluka. Na okufa. Is that problem? Yo tika libanda. Don't let it out. Don't let her out.
Believe. Also tindikanga?
Yeah.
Why you beat me then?
Yeah.
Also tindikanga?
No, why you beat me?
Believe also tindikanga? Okay. So siminga no better loko. Bima, lega.
Believe, don't let her out. Don't let her out.
Believe, also siminga.
I wanna go. I wanna go. Daddy, give me the phone. Daddy, give me the phone. No. Leave her to go, please. Daddy, please.
I don't. Did you see me beating her?
Please don't beat
Did you see me? Did you see me beating her?
Mommy, please. If you want to go, you can go.
Believe me, this is the last and the last time. You must know it. Baba kangu na yo. Baba kola mwana lo kwa ngaite.
Bongo ba makangu na yo.
Asa mwana na ngai.
Bongo ba makangu na yo.
Ebembe na yo makangu atatano na mama na yo.
Merci.
Ayo seme na mutu amana ye bakanga data lelo. Filmer sur les réseaux sociaux, j'ai ma fou. Parce qu'on a un mona. On a un ticket, na esclave. Le gars balanga comme esclave dans ndaku na yo. Basi oyo to zwana. Basi porter. Ba vanda na yo, boke libera. Na pasi on a mona na zeme onde na za osaka wapi. Abandona na makana na tidelo. Depuis na bandizemi. Abandona na l'hôpital. Ozaki wapi? Abandonné na zemi oke osamu sala. Ola kisike mbango zali poso.
I'm not going to touch her.
Where did you go? When are you doing work? Do you go to church?
Akenda church itakenda ko sala. Believe, tauna zobela papa bino zaki wapi? Tu ete osaki wapi? Tauna zolela ayo mtoto suma papa bino zaki wapi? Akenda musala. Akego sala. Asunoli ngala zemi ona zolala taba tuneba osuma ngalo kwa batu.
She was lying, believe. She was lying. She was lying. What she told you? What she told you? What she told you, believe? She said, I'm going where? To church, ne? What she told you? Oh, Lokuta. She's lying. She's lying. She was lying. She was lying. She was lying. She was lying.
You know it, ne?
She's lying, believe. She's lying.
I'll put you down.
She must give
to you one by one. You are big already.
She's lying, believe. But she must give my money. She must start giving money. If she want to eat your money, she can eat it. She must give mine. She's lying, believe. I take care of you since you were a baby, believe. Since you believe. Who bring you to the Europe here? Who bring you here? Oh.
New Year,
your mother want to money for herself and for her family. It's what she's doing. It's okay. It's okay. Believe. You know, since you were a child, you know how your dad
Daddy, please,
Chicken go. Ya ekoki. Tufi na yo moko.